Morning children, I am Naveen sir, your maths teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Yesterday we discussed about the variable, constant and expression, equation, simple equation we discussed. So today we are going to discussing about the types to solve the simple equation. So three types are there. First one is a trial and error method. Second one is a transposing method. Third one is a without transposing method. The without transposing method we will call also weighing balancing method. So first method is a trial and error method. Now we will discuss. Trial and error method. So equation 2 plus y is equals to 7. So this simple equation we have to solve by using trial and error method. So first we should write a substituting value of which variable here? Y. So we have to write first substituting value of y variable. Next column, value of LHS. So look at here, this is here equal sign. Equal sign, this side we count as a LHS. So what is the value of LHS? 2 plus y. 2 plus y. Next, value of RHS. Value of RHS. So here equal sign. For equal sign, this side we call it as a RHS. Then what is the RHS? 7. Value of RHS is equal to 7. Now whether RHS and LHS are equal. So we have to check. So these columns and rows we have to follow by solving trial and error method. So like this you should draw the table for trial and error method. Now substituting value of y we should take. So first y is equals to 1 I am taking. So value of LHS, what 2 plus y. So 2 plus y nothing but what we took 1. So 1 is equals to 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. So value of RHS is 7. So are they equal? No, not equal. So are they equal? 3 and 7 both are equal? No, they are not equal. Now let us take y is equals to 2. Now 2 plus y. In the y place what we have to substitute? 2. So 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is how much? 4. So what is the RHS value? 7. Are they equal 4 and 7? No. So not equal. Now let us take another value. Y is equals to 3. So now 2 plus y. Y nothing but in the place of y we should substitute value 3 is equals to 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. Then value of RHS 7. Are they equal 5 and 7? No, not equal. and next another value 4. Now 2 plus y nothing but we have to substitute 4. So 2 plus 4 is how much? 6. So RHS value 7. Are they equal, LHS and RHS? No, not equal. Now y is equals to 5. Now 2 plus, in the place of y what we should write the 5. So 2 plus 5 is how much? 7. Now RHS value 7. Are they equal? Yes. Yes, they are equal. Yes, LHS and RHS both are equal. So by using like this trial and error method, when the RHS and LHS are equal, we have to find out this. We can find using trial and error method. When they are equal, if y is equals to 5, then LHS and RHS are both are equal. Now we are going to discuss about the with the transposing method and without transposing method to solve the simple equations. Say, look at here. The second one is with the transposing method. With the transposing method. So using this transposing method, we have to solve the simple equation. How to solve the simple equation? Let us know. So let us take one example. 2t minus 5 is equals to 3. So now these we should solve the simple equations by transposing, with the transposing. So here first we have to transpose the constant terms. After, which is the coefficient of variable, we have to transpose. So now minus pi is where it is in the LHS side. We have to transpose to RHS. Then minus pi is transposing from LHS to RHS. It becomes plus 5. So minus pi is transposing from LHS to RHS, then it's become plus 5. Yes or no? Right. So 2t is equals to 3. The minus 5 is become as a plus 5. Now 2t is equals to 3 plus 5 is how much? 8. 2t is equals to 3 plus 5 is how much? 8. Now we have to transpose the coefficient of t is how much? 2. 2 we have to transpose it. So 2 is multiplying with the variable t. So 2 is multiplying with the LHS side. Then if you are transposing to RHS side, it will divide or not? Yes. So 2 is transposing from LHS to RHS. Then it divides 8. Then it divides 8. Then t is equals to 8 by 2. Then 2 ones are 2 fours are. Then t is equals to what? 4. T is equals to how much? We got value 4. Now check. Check nothing but we have to justify the result. So what is that? 2t minus 5 is equals to 3. So in the place of t we have to substitute 4. So 2 into 4 minus 5 is equals to 3. 2 fours are 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. 8 minus 5 is equals to how much? 3 is equals to 3. Then LHS is equals to RHS. Then the value is correct. T is equals to value is correct. We justify. Now take another example. 5 into x minus 4 is equals to 2. 5 into x minus 4 is equals to 2. Now should solve this simple equation. So here product between 5 and x minus 4. First we have to multiply these two. 5 into x, 5x plus into minus, minus 5 for the 20 is equals to 2. Is equals to 2. Now first we have to transpose this constant to another side. So minus 20 is transposing from LHS to RHS. Then it's become plus 20. Then it's become what? Plus 20. Minus 20 is become as a plus 20. So 5x is equals to 2 plus 20. Then 5x is equals to 20 plus 2, 22. 20 plus 2, 22. Then now we have to transpose the 5 from LHS to RHS. So now this 5 is multiplying with variable x. Then it will transpose to this side, it will divide. So 5 is transposing from LHS to RHS. Then it divide 22. Which will divide? Then 5 it will divide 22. So x is equals to 22 by 5. 22 by 5. So you can cancel as yes. 5 ones are 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20. Remaining 2. It will not cancel. Keep point. It will be 0. Again 5 fours are 20. So the x value is what? 4.4. The x value is what? 4.4. Now check. By checking that we have to check the result. See here x value is 4.4. So take this 5x minus 20 is equals to 2. So 5 into x value is 4.4 minus 20 is equals to 2. Now how much 5 into 4.4 is how much? 22. 22 minus 20 is equal to 2. 22 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now LHS is equals to RHS. We verify the result. So by this method, by this way, we have to solve the simple equations by using transposing method. Without transposing method or weighing balance method. So now we should not transpose the terms. We have to balance the equation. So by balancing the equation, we have to solve the simple equation. So here 5 we transpose? No, we should not transpose. We have to balance the equation. So here to get the x value, to get the x value, we have to subtract 5. We have to subtract 5 on both side of the equation. On both side of the equation. So what we have to do to get the x value? We have to subtract 5. We have to subtract the 5 on both sides of the equation. So like this we have to write x plus 5 and we have to subtract the 5 on both sides. On both sides we have subtracted. So now again if you remove this 5 you will get the same equation. So like this we have to balance the equation. So plus 5 and minus 5 get cancel. Then x is equals to 9 minus 5. Now x is equals to 9 minus 5 is how much? 4. So we got x value is 4. Now check. You have to check the result. So write this equation: x plus 5 is equals to 9. So x value we got 4. So in the place of x we have to substitute the 4 value. So 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. 4 plus 5 is what? 9 is equals to 9. Then LHS is equals to RHS. Then this x value is 4 is correct. Now second example. 3x plus 4 is equals to 19. 3x plus 4 is equals to 19. So first we have to get the x value, first we have to this subtract the 4. So here also 3x plus 4 minus 4 is equals to 19 minus 4. Same, we have to subtract the 4 on both sides of the equation. On both sides of the equation. Then plus 4 minus 4 gets cancelled. Then 3x is equals to 19 minus 4. Then 3x is equals to 19 minus 4 is how much? 15. 19 minus 4 is how much? 15. Now again to get the value of x, what we should do? We have to divide with 3. We have to divide with 3. So here, to get the x value, we should divide. We should divide with 3 on both sides of the equation. On both sides of the equation. On both sides of the equation. We have to divide with 3 on both sides of the equation. So here I am dividing 3x with dividing 3 is equals to 15 dividing with 3. So here 3 gets cancelled. Now x is equals to 15 by 3. So now 3 1s are 3 5s are. Then x value is how much? 5. X value is how much? 5. Now check. So this value 3x plus 4 is equals to 19. So in the place of x value we have to substitute 5. 3 into 5 plus 4 is equals to 19. 3 5s are 15 plus 4 is equals to 19. 15 plus 4 is how much? 19 is equals to 19. Then LHS is equals to RHS. We got x value is correct. So this is the simple equation. To solve simple equations, different methods. The methods are trial and error method, and with a transposing method, and without transposing method. I hope you understood this topic. Children, this is worksheet, nothing but homework problems. First one, solve the following equation by transposing terms and check your result. So first one, y minus 12 is equals to minus 5, and second one, 3 of x minus 3 is equals to 5. So these two problems we should solve by using transposing method. Right. Now second one, solve the following equations without transposing and check your result. So first one, 9z is equals to 81. Second one, 2t minus 5 is equals to 3. So these two simple equations you should solve without transposing method. Now third one, solve the equation a minus 2 is equals to 6 by trial and error method. So first one, you should solve the problems using transposing method. Second one, you should solve the problems without transposing method. And third one, you should solve the this equation by trial and error method. Thank you.